Hey guys, I'm Ryan and I've been hacking things my whole life. So the other day I was walking my dogs and I came back home and on the front porch was this box. And I looked at it and I said, oh my gosh, that's probably another one of my daughter's unapproved Amazon purchases, and I got stressed out. And then I looked at the label and it said Glowforge. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that's my laser cutter. And I said, oh my gosh, my Glowforge is really small. And then I realized it was one of 3 packages, and that's what today's video is about, is all about getting the Glowforge. Okay, so that wasn't my Glowforge. That was actually the proof-grade materials, and that was the first of 3 packages to come. I think I got these proof-grade materials by ordering this laser cutter early. I want to let you know that this is not a sponsored video. I spent every single cent of my own money on this laser cutter. I sold a bunch of things to get it, but it came with $150 of proof-grade material. If you put this inside of the laser cutter, theoretically, because I've never used one, the Glowforge laser cutter, is that it reads this and it sets all of the settings, unlike my other machines, like my 3D printer and my CNC machines, that it takes like 15 minutes to set things up. So I'm really excited about these proof-grade materials, and I'm hoping to hack a few things with those. Okay, so then 2 weeks later, I get this package, right? 2 weeks later. So I come home and the boxes are getting a little bit bigger. You can see that this box is substantially larger, and I'm like, oh my God, my Glowforge isn't as small as I thought it was gonna be. But it turns out opening this box up is I got I can't even see the breadcrumb tray, which is basically the thing that gets really ugly after a while. And then this little stupid little vent right here, which I thought was kind of silly, but you need it, and it's for venting it out to your filter or the world or something like that. So I got that. So anyways, I'm walking in my house and my wife says to me, and you know, I like to keep these purchases on the down low. She says, UPS came and they delivered this humongous box, and they had to put it inside the garage, what I call the hackLAB. And she said, it's in there. I'm like, oh my gosh, that's my Glowforge. And I said, the boxes are getting bigger, so maybe that box is even bigger. And so I got this box. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that's it. That is a decent size for a laser cutter. So this box up here, first of all, I have to tell you that the box came on its side. And it has these little tabs here that you have to undo. And I did demo that first, but I lost the other one. So that's why, so it has this nice, amazing foam. Now my first thing was, oh my gosh, the laser's not broken. So now I'm thinking, how am I gonna get this thing up to this right spot right here where I created the vent? Now, I need to tell you about this vent to my filter. That was the most difficult thing you can imagine, and I have another video on that that's linked down below and on somewhere. I plan on putting a spray booth down there, a small one, that I'm gonna hack a sandblasting cabinet from Harbor Freight, and then I'm gonna air conditioning the space here, and I'm gonna put my 3D printers up at the top, so anything that needs to be vented can go into a filtration system, and it'll work that way. All right, so now back down to this laser cutter. I'm like, how am I gonna get this thing up there? Put it up. I figured I would put it on this case, and then I'm gonna clean off that stuff up there, and then I'm gonna undo this, and I'm gonna put it up there. So, yep, okay, here I go. Okay, so that's good. Now I'm gonna go back down here, and I'm gonna start kind of enjoying this, taking this apart here. All right, so that's good. Now I got to get rid of this box. Here's the packaging it comes in. It's just really well packaged. Get rid of this case. This is gonna be my mobile maker space. I'm actually got a whole green cutting area. This takes full today. Here. This breadcrumb tray. Maybe it just slides in. Okay, now, first thing I says, turn on this magic button. I think that's the magic button. Okay, so now the big thing was I set this shelf up not knowing where, if it would hit. So here is the test. What is this, tape down? Wow, first thing is this thing has got like hydraulics in it. It stays up. That is so cool. It feels so solid. It's so different than I thought. I thought it would be all plastic, and it's like metal, high quality airplane stuff. Power cord. I got a million of these, but they sell them for like 20 bucks on Amazon. This is the laser head. That looks expensive. Oh, and it's magnet like my MakerBot. Oh, look at that. It's magnetic. Look how beautiful that is. That is a masterpiece, man. That is so cool. It's so well designed. Look at that. So that's the connector cable. And everything is like like Apple. It's like orange tape is stuff you remove, and usually these connectors go one way. So I'm gonna connect that there. All right, guys, this is going well. So I got the Glowforge installed. I got the vent hooked up. I have future plans, but we're not going to do that tonight. I did take a dinner break. You won't be able to tell that by the video, but deal with it. But here's the deal. I am in a garage that is sloping down. So the level is about right here, which is approximately 3/4 of an inch up. So I have never read anywhere, because I've never owned a Glowforge or a laser cutter in my life, whether or not they're supposed to be level or not. Please comment down below whether or not a laser cutter is supposed to be level. There may have been some instructions. I know that there was that little button thing I was supposed to look at somewhere, the easy button, but I'm gonna level it by All right, guys, now I got this thing all set up. It's vented. Now we're gonna do, where's that easy button thing? Now we're gonna do this thing here. It says you gotta press the button. So I gotta put this thing back over here. My Wi-Fi is like right here. Oh, crap, woo! Name your Glowforge. I am not naming it that. Here we go. Call it, here we go. Ready? Rover. Okay, guys, the first thing that I want to start cutting on this Glowforge is kind of an aggressive project, but it is this this ATAT, which I put up on the forum. I have a link, what was your first cut, on the Glowforge forum. Dan was kind enough to tell me to cut out a foot. And if I go back and I quickly look at the, if I look at what I can cut out, this is the entire design here, but this is the foot part that I can cut out. So I threw that into the Glowforge web app, and it's just amazing. So this is an actual picture of the Glowforge stuff. I realize this is old hat for people that have one, but this is so exciting. This is my first cut ever on this. So I set this up to thick plywood. I don't know. I'm just going to go ahead and do this. All right, so here it is. So I have it all set up, and now I'm going to select print. I'm so excited. Click. Whoa. Keep an eye on your Glowforge. Don't leave it. Check this. I understand. Oh, boy. Contract. Continue to print. Okay. Scanning. Why am I this thing green? Scanning material. This is the first cut. So here's the app. So it says warning for material, not detected anymore. Start pushing the Glowforge button. Graylin, please push the button. Please.
Oh my gosh, is it gonna blow up? I think it's gonna blow up.
Holy crap, how cool is this? It is unbelievable. It worked the first try. It was only 7 minutes, and that was my first cut. Honest Engine, I had my daughters come in, and actually my daughter's friend pressed the button, which was cool. I thought I could get away with it and hit it on the screen, but I couldn't. Everything cut out absolutely perfect. It is just unbelievable, the quality, and it's just so, I guess I need every single one of these parts. But, oh! So, everything printed out just like I wanted it to. It's obviously with the proof grade, I wouldn't get those burn marks, but I kind of like the burn marks, but I could probably just sand them down because a lot of them just seem very superficial. But this is, oh, it smells so good, too. So, wow. That is unbelievable. First attempt. There's a couple reasons I didn't want to do this, but I'm so glad I did. Well, anyways, guys, that is the Glowforge. I got it, literally got it last night. I unboxed it and set it up, and everything is running. I am so excited to see what I can do with this thing. And I got the Glowforge last night, and I put the vent through, which is another video which I'm going to share in the links. I'll put that there, here, no, there. So anyways, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like so I can make more videos, just for encouragement, man. Thanks. And if anything else, get out there, do something with people, create something that connects you with someone else. Thanks for watching.